Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2025 Citroen E C3. First of all, we're going to home screen, phone, no device connected. We'll click on there. You see there that's Bluetooth is on blue. If it's not, then all you have to do is just touch it. Now it gives you the scan for devices. We click scan for devices. It's showing on the bottom left. Click on Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, pairing in progress, Bluetooth pairing request, pair, confirm, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, device paired, connection in progress. Now also this comes up, I'm going to click connect quickly, but in order for Apple CarPlay to play when your device is closed, you have to click that button. Apple CarPlay's come up now. Apple CarPlay is the best system ever.